Loka samasta sugino bhavantu. A great emptiness, a silence of dismay. Something I never expected. I always wished for a world where we could feel the warmth of happiness, peace, and harmony. I would like to enjoy seeing the world safe in the hands of humans. I don't want the human superior. I need perfect harmony, unity among the people, harmony among all the existence on earth. I don't want to know more about the great challenge that is being faced by the world. I know the term, Corona, a pandemic which arouses fear, which leads us to lose hope. The time has reached for us to forget everything. Hope. Hope is the only medicine for our survival. I know you all can hear me, my dear friends. I would like to talk to you, my dear children. Don't lose your hope. Perceive and accept the situations, challenges in a positive way. You are the safe hands in which the world is going to flourish. God will test you, but will never let you alone. Believe in God. Believe in your actions. Believe in yourself.
God will make a way where there seems to be no way. He works in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will be my guide. Hold me closely to His side. With love and strength for each new day, He will make a way for me. He will make a way by the roadways in the wilderness. He leads me. Rivers in the desert will I see. Heaven and earth will fade, but your words will still remain. He will do something new today. Oh, God will make a way where there seems to be no way. He works in ways we cannot see. He will make a way for me. He will make a way.
Swami Vivekananda, a patriotic spirit, a motivating personality of great spiritual insight. He is an inspirer of India's national consciousness. Swami Vivekananda's birthday is celebrated in India as National Youth Day to honor his contributions to our India. The main objective of National Youth Day is to promote rational thinking among the youth, believed to be the future of our Mother India. With much pleasure, we would like to introduce our theme, Youth, the safe hands for tomorrow. I would like to use this opportunity to mention the guiding lights behind this unique event. Our beloved Principal, Reverend Father Binod Patkalam CMI, Headmaster Mr. Suresh Sir, Academic Coordinator Ms. Annie Ignatius, Assembly Coordinator Ms. Adra Rakesh, Assembly Convener Ms. Vipin W, and our class teachers Ms. Jasmine Thomas, Ms. Joyce James, Ms. Jasmine Rajan, and Ms. Soumya J. The future of our countries ride on our shoulders, and let today be an empowerment of youth. Let's all be the safe hands for tomorrow. Thank you.
Swami Vivekananda once said, "My dearest and nearest relative in my life is my Guru. Next my mother, then my father. My first reverence is to my Guru. If my father says do this, and if my Guru says do not do it, I do not do it. The Guru frees my soul. The father and mother gave me the body, but the Guru gave me the rebirth in the soul." Swami Vivekananda wishes to see the future generation uplifted with the love and guiding light of our dear teachers.
Hi dear students, parents and teachers. Today I am very happy. I came to know that the 7th standard students, they are conducting their class assembly in this week. And they have selected a very good theme, a very relevant theme. And that is very much related to the youth. The wealth of our nation is the youth. The power of India is in our youth. So they need to be well trained. They need to be educated. They should be given more opportunities in their career life. More opportunities, a well training should be given to them so that they may lead our country into better heights. For that, the nation builders have set everything. Now we are facing certain issues. I think now the revisions and the changes are happening. Hope everything will be on track. Our youth will be accommodated in the nearby future. Now there is a problem in the youth. They are suffering, they are jobless. Don't be disappointed by that. I think now the new government or new policies are coming up and they are making certain changes to accommodate the powerful wing of our nation, the youth. So you have selected very good theme, and you know Swami Vivekananda. He was a very bright personality. He illumined globally and illumined everyone. So we need to be ignited by certain minds. We need to be ignited by the powerful personalities. Take good things from good people and good situations and enrich your youth life. So my best wishes to all my dearest students for your class assembly. In this time or at this juncture, I would like to appreciate the class teachers of 7th standard, Harindra S. Nair, Soumi teacher, Jasmine Rajan and Jasmine Thomas and Joyce James for their effort in coordinating all the students, all the parents and the needed things for conducting this assembly. May God bless you all. Thank you.
January 12th, the birth anniversary of Swami Vivekananda is celebrated as National Youth Day. This day is specially dedicated for youth. Youth, they are said to be the promise for our nation. As the theme of our assembly says, dear children, you are the safe hands for tomorrow.
Dear children, today is the opportunity for you to have a better tomorrow. The upcoming days are very precious for you all because these days determine your career and lead you to achieve impossible.
You should come up with innovative ideas so that the nation can be made able to reach the heights of perfection. As childhood and youth are the precious parts of human life, it's your time to enjoy and fulfill to its maximum.
The days that you have now, it decides your career and future. If you are very strong and able, then it will decide the fruitful tomorrow. Always be the safe hands for tomorrow.
യുവാക്കളെ, കുമാരി കുമാരന്മാരെ, വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളെ, നിങ്ങൾ ഇന്നീ കാണുന്ന ഓരോ ദിവസങ്ങളുമാണ് നാളെ നിങ്ങൾ എന്തായി തീരണമെന്ന് തീരുമാനിക്കുന്നത്. നിങ്ങൾ ഓരോരുത്തരും മാനസികമായി അതിശക്തരും നിരവധി ഗുണഗണങ്ങളുടെയും കഴിവുകളുടെയും ഇരിപ്പിടങ്ങളുമാണ്. പക്ഷേ നിങ്ങളിൽ ചിലർക്കെങ്കിലും നിങ്ങളുടെ ഉള്ളിലുള്ള കരുത്ത്, നിങ്ങളുടെ ശക്തി, നിങ്ങളുടെ കഴിവ് എന്താണെന്ന് തിരിച്ചറിയാൻ പറ്റാത്തവരാണ്. അത് തിരിച്ചറിയണമെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ നിരന്തരമായി പരിശ്രമിക്കുകയും കർമ്മത്തെ ഈശ്വരനായി കാണുകയും ചെയ്യണം. ഉത്തിഷ്ഠത, ജാഗ്രത, പ്രാപ്യവരാൻ നിബോധിതഃ എന്നതാകട്ടെ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഞാൻ നൽകുന്ന ആപ്തവാക്യം. നന്ദി.
Respected father, teachers and my dear friends, it's really great to be with you today. I'm highly indebted indeed for giving me an opportunity to talk about one of the most relevant topics of today. Youth, the safe hands for tomorrow in connection with the National Youth Day on January 12th to honor the birthday of Swami Vivekananda, one of India's greatest spiritual and social leaders. Who all are youth? The 2014 National Youth Policy defined youth as a person between 15 and 29 years of age. More than 2/3 of India's population are under 25. We, in India, have more working age people in the next 25 years than China had in the last 2 decades. Yes, this is amazing when this is happening at the time when the rest of the world is aging. The average age of people in US and China are 40 and 46 respectively, but for India it's 26. So, India as a youthful nation known for its innovative zeal can take the lead in providing a new culture. Youth are always hungry for better options. They can be the dynamic engines for the world. Making them think out of the box will do miracles. It's a great thing that as a part of Startup Revolution, the number of young entrepreneurs, including females, are rising up. Young Indians today want to build their careers around missions, not just profits. They want to change the things for the better. Do something that has a purpose bigger than making money and create a real impact than simply doing their 9-to-5 jobs, clocking in and clocking out. They work with the NGOs who aim for a good cause, including women and child empowerment, nature conservation programs, programs for differently abled people, etc. We have seen the commitment of youth in the time of calamities and pandemics, volunteering the people in relief camps and supplying the necessaries for them. Before concluding, there is one piece of good news that 95% of our 12-year-olds across India are literate and are on the way to seize the world in their hands. So, we can say with pride to the rest of the world that we are coming. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Arise, awake, and do not stop until the goal is reached. We all ought to have an aim, a goal in our life so that we can think, we can act, and we can attain our goal. That's the real meaning of life.
सभा में उपस्थित सभी सदस्यों को मेरा हार्दिक स्वागत। आज मैं मोहम्मद रेहान आप सबको युवा दिवस के बारे में कुछ विशेष बातें बताऊंगा। भारत सरकार द्वारा वर्ष 1985 से स्वामी विवेकानंद के जन्मदिन पर युवा दिवस मनाने की शुरुआत की गई थी। तब से अब तक प्रत्येक वर्ष इस दिन ही युवा दिवस मनाया जाता है पूरे देश में। विवेकानंद जी के जन्मदिन पर राष्ट्रीय युवा दिवस मनाने की प्रमुख कारण उनके दर्शन, सिद्धांत, अलौकिक विचार और आदर्श है जिनका उन्होंने स्वयं पालन किया और भारत के साथ साथ अन्य देशों में स्थापित किया। उनके ये विचार और आदर्श युवाओं में नई शक्ति और ऊर्जा का संचार के साथ उन्हें सही दिशा की ओर प्रेरित कर सकता है। युवाओं के लिए प्रेरणा का एक उम्दा स्रोत साबित हो सकता है। स्वामी विवेकानंद जी के प्रेरणा से परिपूर्ण विचार और उनके किए गए कार्य युवाओं के लिए प्रेरणा स्रोत है। उनके विचारों को पढ़कर उनके जीवन से जुड़ी बातों को पढ़ना ही नहीं, यदि कुछ अंश भी अपनाए तो युवा जीवन में बहुत कुछ हासिल कर सकते हैं। आज के वक्त में युवा बहुत तेजी से अच्छी आदतों की अपेक्षा खराब आदतों को अपना रहे हैं, जिस कारण वह अपने समाज, परिवार और देश का भी नुकसान कर रहे हैं। तो इन सब बुरी आदतों को छोड़कर अच्छी आदतों को अपनाए और देश को महान बनाने में अपना योगदान दें। तो इन सब बुरी आदतों को छोड़कर अच्छी आदतों को अपनाए और देश को महान बनाने में अपना योगदान दें। धन्यवाद।
Good morning to all. The great secret of true success, of true happiness is this: the man or woman who asks for no return. The perfectly unselfish person is the most successful. Why did Swami Vivekananda say like this? Because to act for our country, we have to think and pursue our action without any selfishness. To understand others' troubles, we have to be a perfectly unselfish person. Thank you.
നമസ്കാരം, ഞാൻ കീർത്തന എസ് നായർ. വയലോപ്പിള്ളി ശ്രീധരൻ മേനോന്റെ പന്തങ്ങൾ. ചോര തുടിക്കും ചെറുകൈയുകളെ പേറുക വന്നീ പന്തങ്ങൾ. ഏറിയ തലമുറ ഏന്തിയ പാരിൽ വാരൊളി മംഗള കന്തങ്ങൾ. ചോര തുടിക്കും ചെറുകൈയുകളെ പേറുക വന്നീ പന്തങ്ങൾ. ഏറിയ തലമുറ ഏന്തിയ പാരിൽ വാരൊളി മംഗള കന്തങ്ങൾ. പണ്ടു പിതാമഹർ കാട്ടിൻ നടുവിൽ ചിന്തകൾ ഉരസിടുമക്കാലം. വന്നു പിറന്നിതു ചെന്നിന മൂലം വാളു കണക്കൊരു തീനാളം. പണ്ടു പിതാമഹർ കാട്ടിൻ നടുവിൽ ചിന്തകൾ ഉരസിടുമക്കാലം. വന്നു പിറന്നിതു ചെന്നിന മൂലം വാളു കണക്കൊരു തീനാളം. സഞ്ചിതമാകുമിരുട്ടുകളെല്ലാം സംഭ്രമമാർന്നോരന്നേരം. സഞ്ചിതമാകുമിരുട്ടുകളെല്ലാം സംഭ്രമമാർന്നോരന്നേരം. മാനവർ കണ്ട അഗ്നിസ്മിതമതിൽ മണ്ണിലെ വിണ്ണിൻ വാഗ്ദാനം. മാനവർ കണ്ട അഗ്നിസ്മിതമതിൽ മണ്ണിലെ വിണ്ണിൻ വാഗ്ദാനം. ആയിരമായിരം ആത്തി ചുംബിച്ചാളി വിടർന്നൊരു പന്തങ്ങൾ. ആയിരമായിരം ആത്തി ചുംബിച്ചാളി വിടർന്നൊരു പന്തങ്ങൾ. പാണിയിലേന്തി പാടി പാടി പാരിലെ യുവജന വൃന്ദങ്ങൾ. പാണിയിലേന്തി പാടി പാടി പാരിലെ യുവജന വൃന്ദങ്ങൾ. കാലപ്പെരുവഴിയൂടെ പോന്നിതു കാണേ കാണേ കമനീയം. കാലപ്പെരുവഴിയൂടെ പോന്നിതു കാണേ കാണേ കമനീയം. കാണേ കാണേ കമനീയം.
All power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Believe in that. Do not believe that you're weak and a half crazy lunatic, as we all do nowadays. You can do anything and everything without the guidance of anyone. These lines were told by Swami Vivekananda. Let ourselves be the guide, the inspirer, the motivator. Failures should not affect us because we are the strong supporters for our Mother India.
जिंदगी
from inside out. None can teach you, none can make you spiritual. There is no other teacher but your own soul. Believe in yourself. Vivekananda wants us to identify our inner soul, and it's our guide, our guru, and our driving force in our life.
मंजिलों के आगे पहचानना है सच, हर घड़ी हर लम्हा बस जानना है सच, दिल की हर धड़कन कहे बस ढूंढना है सच, जिस तरह भी हो सके बस छूना है सच, दुनिया को न माना आरज़ू को पहचाना, अब कहाँ है जाना। मुझे जानना है सच, पहचानना है सच, मुझे जानना है सच, पहचानना है सच। सवाल है जो कर रहे हैं गुदगुदी, अनजानी सी प्यास है जो बुझती नहीं, ख्वाहिशें हैं ख्वाब हैं चाहते अरमान है, जज्बातों में सोच है गुम हूँ कहीं, सारे सवालों की उलझन में मैं ढूंढूं सही राह हो, या किताबों में या गुफ्तगू में या खोजू खुद ही में। मुझे जानना है सच, पहचानना है सच।
Said, we want that education by which character is formed, strength of mind is increased, the intellect is expanded, and by which one can stand on one's own feet. By celebrating National Youth Day, let us herald the upliftment of our education. Let this assembly be a tribute to Swami Vivekananda. We do thank our beloved principal, all our dear teachers and non-teaching staff for giving us an opportunity to have such a wonderful time with you all. Thank you.